As we all continue to mourn Dolly's passing, scrolling through social media can make an already emotional gut punch feel deeper, even personal. News Channel 5's Aaron Cantrell explains why that connection to someone many never even met can be so impactful and how social media can make it worse.
Like a member of my family's gone. You know, a piece of my heart. There's a piece of my heart gone because of her music and just her contributions to everything and the joy that she brought to so many people.
Fans like Jody James are feeling that deep connection to Dolly Parton. Her impact crossed backgrounds and generations, so her death can feel deeply personal for many and hard to escape.
Well, now, right, you can turn on your phone at any given point in time and you're being shown some headline, some trending thing. It's almost inescapable.
MTSU Associate Professor of Psychology, Dr. James Lovelace, says that constant exposure can take an emotional toll.
When we lose people or lose access to things that we're otherwise pretty attached to for whatever reason, I think we lament the loss of that because that means looking forward, we're not going to necessarily have that in our lives.
Dolly's music, charitable work, and impact remain. But Lovelace says part of the grief is knowing there won't be anything new from her. If the news feels overwhelming, Lovelace says taking a break from social media can help.
What would be really maybe beneficial in the very beginning stages of this is taking a break and giving yourself permission to not focus on your grief. You're kind of not given the opportunity to do that, at least in those online spaces, unless you're really good about purposely putting it away.
Lovelace says grieving is normal and can be healthy. And he says that grief can become appreciation for what Dolly gave us.
This is what this person added to my life, and this is what I'm going to do moving forward to be like them because, well, they're worthy of that, and their legacy is that.
Aaron's with us now. Obviously, Dolly had an impact on so many people. Those who didn't meet her, you know, it can be hard not to be emotional with her passing. Sometimes you need a break from the news and social media especially.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't help.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you're just scrolling there and your algorithm, you know, it's just Dolly, all these tributes. But, you know, if you're struggling for any reason, you know, and can't shake that sadness, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional, your counselor, psychiatrist, any sort of thing that you can get through this pain because it's sad.
Yeah. You need to talk to somebody about it.
Oh, yeah.
And it's important. Aaron, good story. Thanks.
Thank you.